What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. With the hood open on the driver's side, the air box is located right here. There's some clips that hold this in, so loosen up those clips. You just push this one towards the vehicle, push this one towards the front of the vehicle. And that's it, those two. This rotates up and it should slide out. It slides out in the back. Now, if you were struggling with this, you could loosen up this clamp here and disconnect the wires, but you don't have to. Just slide it up. Pull the air filter out. Just like that. Just be careful on that stud right there. This air filter actually doesn't look too bad. But we have a new filter, so we're going to try the new filter out. The longer side of the filter goes this way, and the angled side goes towards the center of the vehicle. Just like that. So I'm holding the filter into the top side of the airbox. Just make sure that wire's out of the way. And then there's some clips in the back of the airbox. I'm just going to slide those clips in first. Just angle it down. There we go. That's good. All right, so that's all set. Now we can put the clamps back on, lock that in place, and then lock this one in place. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.